Hey, Dewey McDonald here from Guarantee RVs. I got a brand new Heartland Torque. Model number is a 325. Come on inside, let's take a peek. Walk right in here. You got your little island here with your lot of counter space right here. Cover for the sink there too. Just storage below. Cabinets there. You got your oven here, 3-burner gas stove with your fan there. Microwave, more storage there, storage, and you got your Dometic refrigerator, freezer right there with storage above and below. And actually this one you got a little pantry right here, which is nice. So this particular model you actually have a lot of storage. It's a garage model. Walk into the garage, small garage, 10-foot garage, but this one does have the back door. You got a little, it actually has the patio deck, so this is a patio. That's the railing that goes around it. So you've got your double beds that come down. This is the chairs, folds up to a seating, and then your bed up above us. You got cross ventilation on both windows on the side. You got a little half bath right here with sink and vanity right there. And then above us you got storage for helmets or bags and stuff. So kind of cool. So you can fit your 4-wheelers or motorcycles or whatever, Harleys in here. Pretty cool. Alright. It's a garage with a sliding glass door, so it's separate. And then you've got some more storage compartment here, and then you've got a little storage compartment up here. It's kind of a little bunk house right there. So you've got your recliners here, and they're actually electric. So you got heated and controls for them. With storage on the outside corners right there on each side. All LED lights. You got the day and night type shades come down. LED lights in the ceiling with your fans. Air conditioners in the roof. Over up here is your TV, and it's on a swivel bracket. Stereo's built in there. Here's your control panel here. Here's for your generator, all your lights, your awning. Here's how for your batteries, check your water levels. The slide outs right there. This is for your awning right there. Here's your control for your heater and air conditioner. Got a nice big stairway going up. You got going up into a bathroom. So you got actually a little tub in there. Big bathroom in the middle here with your sink and little vanity there. So you got some storage. Skylights above, so you got a lot of headroom. We'll go back down here, and then up in here you've got a slide out here, so that gives you more storage, closet space. Storage over here. This is, like I said, this little slide, so you got double storage there for clothes. Above here storage, all the way across storage. You got dressers underneath the drawers. Drawers underneath here. LEDs again, air conditioner separate for the bedroom. Cross ventilation for the windows. You got a nice counter here. You got counter space above it in each corner over there. A lot of room in this. And that's actually a king size bed. So pretty nice fifth wheel. So for smaller, this is a smaller one. So you don't need to have too big a truck to pull it. Double axle. This is a 4-season coach. Tinted glass windows. There's your water heater there. Storage cross all the way across. You got magnetic. You got a spot for an outdoor TV. Plug-ins right here. Here's your propane tank, one on each side right there. We'll go around this way. You got your 3-step aluminum step, outdoor speakers. You got your awning above the door with the LED lights out there too. And here's your back door that's going into the separate garage, so you can come in and out of that. Big in the back, you've got LED above us. You actually got an awning above us, pre-wired for a backup camera. Lockable handles, good locks. This is your ramp or patio. Remember, it had the rails go around it. Here's a little ventilation for inside. Here's your hoses. Here's where you put your fuel in right there. Here's your controlled water tanks. Like I said, double axle, so smaller for a toy hauler, a little smaller fifth wheel. But 3 slides. Here's all your controls for your water, your cable, power cord, outdoor shower. Here's the other door going all the way through for your storage compartment. The other propane tank. Inside the front box is your generator. It's got a built-in generator. Nice toy hauler. Designed for a short box, so all Heartland products have this cap front end with a contour, so it's made for short box. So if you're looking for any toy hauler or a regular fifth wheel camper, come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guarantee RV.